Hello guys, here is how to download an entire album on Apple Music. Now, first you want to do is open Apple Music. And once you've opened it, you click on the song you want to download. And once you click on the song or album, what you want to do is click on these three dots at the top. Now basically this is for downloading an album. Click share album and now click copy link. But if you want to download a specific song, you can click these three dots beside the song and then click share song. But for this tutorial, we're downloading an album. So the next thing you need to do is head over to your browser or Google Chrome. Google Chrome is best. And now search for Apple Music Downloader online. And once you search for it, it will bring you this results. Now click this first website here called Apple Music Downloader. And once you've clicked on the website, you're gonna see this, and once you see this you have to paste your Apple Music link which you just copied earlier here. So now we've pasted it, and once you pasted it, it will bring your song over to you. So now this is the song we just copied the link to. This is the album. You can see total tracks, 21 tracks. So that's it. You can now click download all songs. So please subscribe if this helped you. Please, it helps me out. Thank you.